Hey guys, ready or not, 2023 is here. And if you're looking for some good post-holiday finds on Amazon, we've got you covered with the top 5 hottest sellers of the week in the kitchen and dining category. And a reminder to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you see any products that you like, I have the links to all of those in the description box below. Let's start with number 1. People are loving the ETec City Digital Kitchen Scale. This is designed to help you stay in control of your cooking. It features a slim design and a clear LCD display. Some of the features include a tare function, auto off, low battery indicator, and 5 measurement units. The precise units allow you to measure water, milk, and a whole lot more. The perfect item for anyone who loves to cook, not the ideal item for those surviving off of DoorDash. The next item is perfect for those who are all about working out and their protein shakes. The Blender Bottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle is trending high today. It comes in all sorts of bright, beautiful colors and comes with a stainless steel blender ball wire whisk as part of its patented mixing system. So, you add the liquid, add the supplement, and then shake it all about. It also comes with an adjustable carry loop, spout guard, and fits in most cup holders. It's super affordable and will help you get a nice jump on those New Year's resolutions. Our third most popular item helps prevent that scenario after cooking where you have to do a ton of soaking and scrubbing of your slow cooker. That's never fun. So that's why shoppers are scooping up these Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners. They fit anywhere from 3 to 8 quarts, perfect for chili, soups, stews, pasta, appetizers, dips, and more. Listed as BPA free and food safe with nylon blend material. I mean, how many times has this been you after making food for everybody and then you scrub until it's time to go to bed? Well, those days are history with slow cooker liners. Number 4 is something near and dear to my heart because it's all about waffles. 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 The Dash Mini Maker is described as more than waffles. You can get creative with waffled hash browns, cookies, and even biscuit pizzas. It's great for families on the go. It's super easy to use. You just plug it in and go. The waffle maker heats up in minutes, and the dual non-stick surfaces help provide consistent results and delicious golden waffles each time. What a fun little product, and clearly consumers are attracted to the low price as well. The creations that you can make with this are endless. I'm thinking of trying my hand at a waffle club sandwich. And rounding out our top 5 is something that actually falls into the category of nice Valentine's Day gifts for both men and women. It's the simple modern 40-ounce tumbler with handle and straw lid. Again, you have many different colors to choose from. Wow, that pink one really stands out. It's made of premium 18x8 stainless steel, has double wall insulation designed to keep beverages hot or cold for hours. It comes with a straw lid to prevent spills and is cup holder friendly. So many of us try to do a better job on a regular basis with our water intake, and this tumbler from Simple Modern will definitely help with that. A reminder that all of the links to these items I featured are in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for regular features on Amazon deals and cool finds, and I'll see you next time.